Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TurboTax online step by step. First, select the TurboTax product that best fits your needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations. Next, collect all your important tax documents, like W-2s and Form 1099, to ensure a smooth process. Finally, create a new account or simply sign in if you're a returning user to get started on your taxes. Once you're logged in, TurboTax will guide you through entering your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Then, you'll input all your income details from various sources, including your W-2 forms and any Form 1099s you received. Don't forget to add any deductions or credits you're eligible for, as these can significantly impact your refund or amount owed. After entering all your data, TurboTax provides a comprehensive review of your entire tax return. This is a crucial step to catch any potential errors or overlooked information. Take your time to carefully check all the numbers, confirming that your calculated refund or the amount you owe is accurate. The program will highlight areas needing attention, helping you ensure everything is correct. The final step is filing your return. Most users choose to e-file, which is the fastest and most secure method. If you owe taxes, you can pay directly through TurboTax, or if you're getting a refund, you can opt for direct deposit. After confirming your submission, make sure to save a copy of your filed return for your personal records. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.